15-year-old girl missing in Spanish Town for over a week. Off-duty cop shoots knife-wielding attacker on Constant Spring Road. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An Ananda alert has been activated for 15-year-old Ketana Wright of Johns Road, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, who has been missing since Wednesday, August 2. She is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 167 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Spanish Town Police are that Ketana was last seen at home dressed in a white blouse, black tights, and a pair of white slippers. The time she went missing is unknown, and she has not been heard from since then. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Ketana Wright is being asked to contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. The St. Andrew Central Police Division have arrested and charged 2 men with wounding with intent following an incident on Constant Spring Road, Kingston 10, on August 2. They are 20-year-old Stephen Alsted, a student of Pandora Crescent in Kingston 11, and 21-year-old Rashawn Minot, unemployed of Bayview Boulevard, Bull Bay in St. Andrew. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that about 1:50 a.m., Alsted and Minot, allegedly armed with knives, attacked and stabbed a man multiple times. An off-duty police officer noticed the altercation and intervened, discharging his licensed firearm in the direction of the men, hitting Alsted in the lower body. The police were alerted and assisted all 3 men to the hospital on their arrival. Alsted and Minot were treated and later released into police custody. Both men were subsequently charged following a question and answer session in the presence of their attorney on Wednesday, August 9. Their court date is being finalized.